I have a 4T65E here, 4T65E transmission that I have apart that is just here for repair. What happened is this Uplander came in, which is sitting over there on the lift up there, and it didn't move forward, it didn't move reverse, it didn't move at all. So what caused this issue? After checking everything, I saw a little bit of metal in the pan, and I'll show you what we've seen after I answer this phone. Okay, back to this one here. What caused the problem here was this sprag or mechanical diode. You have one that sits on top of right here, and then the one that's on the bottom. Okay. So this bottom one, let me see, I'm doing this with one hand, see if I can do this. It turns one way, this is the top one, excuse me, it turns one way, locks the other, turns, lock. Well, this bottom one is not turning at all. So it's locked up, and you can see where it's busted here, and some of the metal in the pan had to be, as we can see, metal right here coming through from the inside, what's in the pan. So this caused it not to move forward and reverse. Sometimes it would break free, and then it would move, and then it would stop again. So this is the input mechanical diode. They used to be called sprags, but the input mechanical diode. So that's what happens to this transmission here. So you want to change that, put a good one in, and then get this back on the road. So this is the top one. Turns one way, locks the other. Turns, locks. This one's supposed to turn one way and lock, but it's locked both ways. Okay? So pay attention to those. You never know when they're going to go bad. A lot of times you can reuse them. They may last, I don't know, 100,000 miles or 200,000 miles. In this case, this van, excuse me, this van had about, I think, 30 or some thousand miles on it, and it went bad. So you never know when they're going to go bad. They can go bad at any time. If it's up to you to change and put a brand new one in, you can do that. Go back with a used one that's working. Hey, that's on you. Okay, that's it. 4T65E input sprag or mechanical diode failure.